G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make marshmallow bubble crackles. These are so yummy, very simple, really sweet, so let's go. Get a large saucepan, turn your heat on to medium and throw in 50 grams of butter. So just melt this now. Now that the butter is melted, add 200 grams of pink and white marshmallows or marshmallow puffs. Now just constantly stir this until it's melted and nice and creamy, smoothie yumness. Now add 4 cups of rice bubbles or Rice Krispies. Now get a little cake or muffin tin, some of these in, and spoon the mixture into each one. Now just let these set at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or you can pop them in the fridge for about 10 minutes and then start eating. Well, I hope you like this. Oh, so simple but so yummy. And dig straight in. Oh. It's so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.